The Energy Service have visited a number of our sites to give us a very detailed technical assessment and some good recommendations on how to go about decarbonising the properties.
A multi-technology approach is essential to decarbonise fire service buildings, as different parts of the buildings have different usage and different requirements. That includes the large amounts of hot water storage that are required for decontamination of the crews when they come back from a call. They provide a safety critical service, so a lot of the buildings must maintain operation throughout the install. North Wales Fire and Rescue Service have used Llandudno as a pilot project. Infrared heating was chosen for the appliance bay, and that means that there's not a lot of wasted heat from the hot air escaping when the doors are open. Once we had identified the suitable technologies, the next hurdle to overcome was getting funding. So we helped North Wales Fire and Rescue Service to apply for the public sector low carbon heat grant.
These have been quite large scale projects locally, so there's been a lot of job creation on delivering this infrastructure, and as well as that it's allowed us to save money on the operational cost of the buildings, which is money we can then reinvest in frontline services.
My advice to any other organisation would be to have early engagement with the Welsh Government Energy Service, as they have a lot of rapport with organisations that you'll be working with, and they will be key in helping you along the way.
We see firsthand the impact of climate change. We're attending flooding and wildfires as a direct result, and this funding has enabled us to put sustainable energy solutions into our stations.
This project forms part of a broader strategy to decarbonise the fire service across North Wales. So we've identified a number of site types and different technologies that will go into each of the sites, and we'll be rolling that out across Wales over the coming years.